Let's investigate these two commonly confused words in English. Adopt is a verb, and it can mean to accept something new or to start using something new. The company decided to adopt a flexible work from home policy. Adopt as a verb also has the very specific meaning of taking a child into your home and raising them as your own. The couple is hoping to adopt a child soon. Adapt is also a verb, and it means to change your ideas or to change your way of doing things to fit a new situation. It took me a while to adapt to this new job, but now I'm used to it. We're gonna have to adapt this recipe because she can't have dairy. Can you think of any other pairs of words that are confusing? Let me know in the comments. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.